Seriously, do I look better with long hair or short hair? I really don't know. Okay, let's place it here. I have 3 pieces that I want to like alter a little bit. My sewing machine is back. So this is the first top that I'm going to be altering. This top is a top that I showed previously in my friend style my outfit videos featuring Bethany Lee. She got this top for me for a really fair price, but the clothing was a little bit way too large on me. So I pinned with a bobby pin. I don't know if it's called bobby pin, but I pinned it right here to decide on the length that I want. So yeah, that's what I do. So let's get started. I just realized that this outfit is easier if I hand sew it, so screw that sewing machine. I'm going to hand sew the outfit. Today's video is going to be simple and really light. It's not heavy project because I want to chit chat a little bit. I know no one will be listening. I don't know, I'm just thinking a lot of stuff and I want to spread it out. Alright, my battery just died. That's probably the reasons why there's a little bit of setting difference right now. Let's talk about relationships. When you are into a relationship, even before you get into a relationship, do you ever notice that usually those that are attracted to each other are usually opposite to each other? Let's say the girl is an extrovert. They're usually attracted to those that are really quiet, like introvert guys. It was the same thing happened to me and my boyfriend. I was attracted to him because he was really quiet, and you just like, how can a person be that quiet in order to survive? And you just get so interested into his life. One side is done, I'm going to move on with the other side. I don't know. Do you have the same feeling? They say that most of it is because they don't have that personality in their body. So they saw it in someone else and they just, you know, fell for it. It starts to rain. Alright guys, I'm sorry I need to film tomorrow because it starts raining right now. And it wasn't like a small rain, it will be a really gigantic rain, so my videos will be a disaster if I continue to film. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hey, it's added income. No, I did not forget about showing you the final results of the alterations. I just decided to lift it at the ends of the video, so stay tuned for that. Let's continue to watch the video.
Hey, it's Sunday. So this is the second outfit I'm going to alter. It wasn't a bad top actually, but I just don't wear them really often, probably because it was kind of tight on me. So the first thing that I did is that I cut open the middle sections, and since the length of the cloth is kind of long compared how I wanted, so I cut the bottom part of the fabric to the length that I want. I also did the same to the sleeve of the fabric before sewing it with a pink color thread. For the edge of the fabric, I tried to create this lattice hem that I tried to learn. So what I did is that I stretched the fabric while doing a zigzag sew, and you will get this really pretty ruffles at the side. Cutting off the excess thread and you are good to go. And that's about it. This complete the cardigan. Can you keep hearing this noises out of this chair? I kind of like this sound because it reminds me my grandma lazy chair that she has for a really long time. This literally sounds the same. I kind of think that I am getting to a point whereby I think about my retirement. I really like this sound. I'm not going to change my chair. This is the third top that I'm going to alter. As you can see, I tried my best to style it, but I still can't see me wearing it anytime soon. To transform this outfit into the trendy ruche center crop top, I cut out the bottom sections as well as a V shape at the collar area. Using the 2 straps that you cut out from the bottom sections, I'm going to make it into the straps. Then I flipped the clothing inside out. Using the straps that I just created, I cut it into half and place it in the middle of the cloth and do a straight stitches along the edge and center. Changing my thread to black, I'm going to sew it all across the fabric. For the edges of the fabric, I also did the same lattice hem that I do in the second clothing to seal up the edge.
Now for the straps, I'm going to just make it as stringy and thin as possible.
To do that, I'm going to pin it all along the straps to prevent any manual error that I usually did. At the meantime, I'm going to talk a little bit about my story again. Back in primary school, when I know nothing about love, there's a guy from my classroom, basically my classmate, get my number. I don't have a mobile phone during that time. I gave him my house number. I think he was trying to ask a math questions. My math is already above average, typical Asians. I wasn't at home during that time and my dad picked up the phone. The guy just said, "Hey, is Kam at home?" And he just freaked out and he just said, "Who's this?" He just hung up on him. I think if my brother called a girl number, my dad would be really proud of him, like, "Yo, you just like me." Oh, another really small story. Maybe that's a story for another time. Or maybe not. My little brother has a crush on one of his classmates. He sent like a paper note, like a really simple paper note to the girl. The girls reply back with the paper note like, "I don't like you, stop liking me." And you know what my brother said? "Girl, I'll still like you." And guess what my dad said? "Wow, way to go!" That's all. I'm going to finish up this outfit and show you the outcome.
After sewing the straps, I'm going to insert it into the hole that I just created using a safety pin to guide me all along the way. Genius, I know. And you will be completing this outfit. And now let's preview a final result.